Murphy's laying down. And I'm sitting outside. And yes, you saw it right. I have my wrist and hand and the ace wrap that goes to right here. Because I fell yesterday at work, and yes, I'm in a lot of pain, but I'm okay, which is the main thing. And no, I haven't done anything really with my hair except put it in a ponytail at my nape because I didn't want to try to get it high with my shoulders hurting and my hand hurting and stuff. So I just threw my hair up in a ponytail today. And then I'm wearing this dress. It's a strapless dress. See? Strapless. Well, it's not strapless. It wouldn't have a strap if it was strapless. So this is actually a spaghetti strap. I said the wrong thing. So, I'm sorry, but I messed up. And nobody's perfect, so yeah. And since I didn't want to bring my big purse with me today, I brought this purse. It's right here. It has a spot to hang your keys right here, or a phone or whatever. And this is also a zipper, so you can put things in here that you don't want in the main pocket because you don't want it taken or whatever. The pocket's not very big. It only goes to right here where my finger is. It's like, here, let me see if I can show you. It's this big where my finger is. When you pull it down and hit it here. I'm gonna hold my phone with my good hand, and I'm gonna try to show you with my other. Nope, I can't get that hand in there. I'll show you the pocket. It's like that big. So it's not very big. It can't hold a lot of stuff. And then there's a flap over top of it. And when it's closed, the zipper is over, or the ring is over here. Right here. Right here. I have it on my finger right now. Hello.